This is Majnu Bhai and this is Chatur. Majnu Bhai wanted to become a millionaire, but he just kept talking about it and did nothing. Chatur too wanted to become a millionaire, but you know what he did? Instead of talking, he invested. From 10,000 per month, he made 1 CR. That means 1 crore and then 5 crore. Sounds unreal, right? But let me ask you something. Have you ever turned your head around to look when someone is called a millionaire? We all do, right? Because money has that magic. It commands attention, just like Shah Rukh Khan's entry in a Bollywood blockbuster movie. Hi, I am Simi from Bosswala, and today I am going to break the biggest myth in wealth building. But before that, if you're new here, welcome to the family and don't forget to subscribe Bosswala. So why people say your first crore is tough but the 5 crore is easy? Because your first crore will take you 20 years to earn, but the next 4 crore, that will take just 13 years. Now I know what are you thinking. Is it some kind of financial puzzle? No, it's actually very simple. Earning your first crore might feel like climbing Mount Everest. Slow, tired, exhausting, painful. But once you reach the top, the destination is actually easy. That's how the power of compounding in SIP worked to the key of success. Compounding means your return will start earning return instead of the other way around. Because wealth has a snowball effect. It starts small, but once it's gained the momentum, it's keep on rolling and growing. Just how in DDLJ, Raj kept on dropping hint until Simran falls for him. But here is a catch. You need to plant the first seed for your money plant to grow. For that, let's understand the basic of wealth building. Today, we will understand how to earn your first crore, how to grow your 1 crore into 5 crore effortlessly, where to invest for high growth, the ultimate millionaire mindset for financial success, hack to stay patient while investing, how to start investing if you are new, age-wise investment strategy, and how to create a common mistake to avoid while investing. So when we start investing, the amounts are smaller and compounding benefit take time to show sustainable result, particularly if your contribution or the expected rate are modest. Suppose, let me open the SIP calculator for you. So how long does it really take to reach 5 crore? Imagine you started a monthly SIP of 10,000 in mutual fund. That gives you 12% annual returns. Here what will happen? In 20 years, you will reach 1 crore. In 25.75 years, you will reach 2 crores. 29.5 years, you will reach 3 crores. 32.25 years, it will take 4 crores. And in 34 years, you will earn 5 crore. That means your first crore will take 20 years, and after that, your 2 crore will take 5.75 years, 3 crore will take 3.75 years, 4 crores will take 2.75 years, and 5 crore in just 1 year, 10 months. Did you notice something? The more you accumulate, the less time it takes to multiply your wealth. That's the power of compounding, my friend. But if you invest more than 10,000 per month, the wait period will automatically decrease. It's that simple. I know some of us are new in investment. We don't know how to start with, where to begin. There are so many plans going around, which to actually go for. So if you want your money to work for you, I have some best investment option. Number 1. Mutual fund, the safest and most proven way to build wealth over time with compounding power. But here patience is the key. You need to plan long-term investment. Number 2, large cap funds, the stable and less risky. The stock of companies with a large market capitalization, typically the top 100 companies offering a potential stable and moderate growth. Investment option for long-term investment is actually good here. Number 3, mid-cap funds. Balance between risk and return, that's mid-cap funds. Aiming for a balance between growth potential and risk, offering investor a chance to participate in the growth of these companies. Number 3, small cap funds. A small cap fund invests primarily in these stock companies with a small market capitalization, which is somewhere around 5,000 crore, less than actually 5,000 crore. But higher growth potential comes with higher risk. The risk margin in small cap funds are actually higher. Number 4, real estate. Buying properties in growing city can actually help in long-term appreciation and rental income. Number 5, stock and fund index. If you understand market, you know how the market works. Investing in a strong business can create massive return. And lastly, fixed deposit and PPF. Both PPF, Public Provident Fund, and fixed deposit are excellent long-term investment options. They offer stable and guaranteed returns in minimal risk. PPF offers tax benefit and long-term returns, where FDE offers flexibility and liquidity. Safe investment offer that guarantees return over time. But here today we are talking about mutual fund. So what's the roadmap to mutual fund? How to start if you are at a beginner level, because starting investment can be a little overwhelming. Alright, let me make it very simple for you. Number 1, educate yourself. Learn about different asset classes like mutual funds, stock and real estate. Number 2, start small. Begin with an SIP of just 1,000 to 5,000 per month and gradually increase the amount as per your income increases. Number 3, stay consistent. Invest regularly to avoid panic selling. The more time you invest, the high profit you get. I also have an age-wise strategy. What if you are in your 20s? What should you do? So if you are in your 20s, you are in the high growth phase. Invest aggressively, and every time there is an increment, start increasing the amount. But don't forget to build an emergency fund covering at least 6 months of expenses. If you are in your 30s, balance growth and stability. For that, start investing in real estate for long-term wealth creation. Get term insurance and health insurance. Also increase SIP contribution as your income rises. Now, if you are in your 40s, wealth creation is the phase. So look for low-risk investment plan. If you are already running SIP, keep doing that. But start focusing on retirement plan as well with PPF, NPS and pension funds. But what if you are in your 30s? The retirement preparation starts. Move your investment to safe asset like bond, FD and large cap mutual fund. Withdraw systematically while keeping some funds growing in mutual fund and enjoy the financial freedom you build over decades. Now that you understand how wealth grows, let's understand what you need to do before start investing, because road to 5 crore isn't that easy. If you want to follow Chatur, you need to follow these 5 golden rules and unfollow Majnu Bhai. So to be like Chatur, not Majnu Bhai, here are 5 golden rules of investing that you should keep in mind. Number 1, build an emergency fund. Before thinking about crore, secure your basics. Keep at least 6 months of expenses in liquid fund. Number 2, get term life insurance. Protect your family's future. If something happens to you, they won't financially struggle. Number 3, have a health insurance, because medical bills can drain your savings fast. Invest in a good health policy. Number 5, use your loan wisely. Take loan to create asset, not to finance unnecessary expenses. A car loan is fine, but a home loan can be a smart move. So now we already know that how wealth grows, how your road to 5 crore will be easy when you start investing, because it will take 20 years to reach 1 crore. But after that, the road is actually very easy, because for 2 crore, it will take just 5.75 years. For 3 crores, it will take 3.75 years. For 4 crore, it will take just 2.75 years. And for 5 crore, it will take just 1 year, 10 months. It's actually very simple, but you need to keep a little patience. So here are the hacks what you can do. Number 1, think long term. Don't check your portfolio every day. Instead, focus on 5-year, 10-year goal. Number 2, set auto debit for SIPs. That's the best thing you can do. This will ensure you invest without thinking and also will reduce the temptation to stop. Number 3, educate yourself. Start reading books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Psychology of Money, or if needed, read some article about investment to stay motivated. Number 3, break goals into small milestones. Celebrate when you reach 10 lakh or 50 lakh or even 1 crore. This will actually keep you excited. Number 5, do join investment communities. Discussing with like-minded investors can keep you on track and also keep you motivated. But do keep in mind, do not invest without researching and do not withdraw all your amount too early. because the more you invest, the more time you invest, the more amount, the more profit you gain. So the journey to your first crore might feel like a 3-hour epic Bollywood film, but once you cross the milestone, the sequel is a Bollywood blockbuster. So tell me in the comment, what are your financial goals? 1 crore, 5 crore or 10 crore? Let's dream big together. Like, share and subscribe if you found this useful, and share with someone who really needs it. And do remember, the only thing standing between you and your financial goal is action. Take that first step today. And for more such videos, follow Bosswala, and don't forget to download Bosswala app for financial expert insight. Bosswala helps you to learn practical strategies and framework directly from successful business owners through video courses and one-to-one video call. Not just that, Bosswala also provide you with the tool and resources to start, operate and grow your business. See you next time. Thank you for watching.
Bosswala. Be the boss.